So good evening, everyone. Today's topic we will discuss in ServiceNow widgets, right? So when you go to Service Portal or ESC portal or any kind of a portal which you might build in ServiceNow, if you want to edit or modify or add widgets, so if you have an admin, right, it's normal like ITL user or normal user cannot be do change this one. So only admin rights, whoever is having, they can, okay, they can right click on the, they can right click on the any of them anywhere by control as well as right click, correct? When you click that control and right click, you will get these all options. Okay. What is that? One is this instance options. One is instance page editor. One is page designer. One is show widget customization. The other one is edit container background. The other one is widget options schema. The other one is widget model, widget editor, logo console, and this one scope, correct? So now first one is this is the page. This is a complete page. In this page, if you want to edit one widget, then you can go ahead and update widget editor. So first thing is page, second thing is widget editor. These two things you need to understand. First thing is instance page or page in editor, correct? So just click this page in editor. Okay. When you click this one, it will go and open this way. Designer, please. Okay, designer, please. Now this is a widget. This is the pages. Announcement is a one page. Widget is a widgets. Which all are the widgets are available. Suppose I want to edit something here, correct? How do you can go ahead and do it? Request something. So normally if you see in my instance, okay, I have not request something, I have something else. Okay, what is something else? Let me tell you what is there. SP, correct? If I go to SP, I'm not sharing my screen. I'm seeing raise a request is there, correct? So now here request something is there. I want to change it. Instead of raise a request, I want to suppose raise a request. Six. Raise a request. So I need to save and click it. So if you want to put so raise a request, you can go ahead and change it, correct? In the same way, okay. So one is page. This is type is page. Okay. Then you have a category. What is the category? SC and a square category is there. There are multiple things are there. Okay. Then you have a title. Then you have a short description. Okay. You can go ahead and change this ones. Okay. Suppose you have a graphic. A graphic is GOP, correct? So you if you want to apply some symbol, you can go ahead and apply. Suppose this one, whatever you want to, you can go ahead and apply. At present, this something is there. Okay. So suppose you want to set this one, you can go ahead and set. Earlier, it kind of a suitcase was there. Now we applied a screwdriver. Sorry, a spanner, correct? So similar way, you can go ahead and update this ones here multiple way. Okay, these are the widget editor. Okay, these are the widget editor. Now, when you come to see these things and all, again, I will explain in the back end how do you go ahead and configure these links and all. So we'll see. So now pages. In case you created some page, correct? How do you go ahead and add it? Suppose let's go to here. First, we'll create one widget. So when you type widget, so you have here service portal widgets, system UI widgets, correct? So you have widgets here. Suppose what was the widget name? Request something is there, correct? portal, service portal widgets, right? So let's go to service portal widgets. Suppose approval info, approval record. Okay, we don't have now at here, there is no approval. My approval is there, correct? So now I want to add one more thing here. Okay, announcements is there, my assessment is there, current status is there, top related articles is there. I want to add one more, which is a you can add your own. First one is you find out. Always we do insert and stay, right? We know that insert and stay will help always, correct? So this is a approvals. There is a approval request and approval. To do approval is there. There are approval action. Many of them is there, correct? So I am trying to add one of them approval info in my service portal. Okay. So I'm trying to customize my own. So what I will do is I will take this one. Okay, it will show you that you cannot add this one, you cannot modify, add, remove, correct? So because these are very important things, that is why it will help, it will not allow you to update OOB1. So you have only option clone. Clone means you can copy it as a new one. So first you have to copy this one. So you have to mention your own new name, correct? So approval info already there now. New approval info, you can mention it. So you save it. So now this new approval info, you want to bring it where? You want to bring it here. Widget, we will go here. SP underscore widget is that. So public. Okay. Let us also see. It's not showing. SP instance. Bootstrap. Okay, let me go to service portal. See here, because this was a service portal core, this was a global. So it is because of global, it is getting, it is not taking here. So let us open the other ones. We will see new announcement, new announcements or something. What was there? Our my assessment, current status, or my approvals. We'll see where is my approval. We'll clone that one only. Where is this my approvals? It is not here. We will see where is this one. Of them one here. Where is them? Be back here. Wait. Let me go back to this portal page. From here, first let me to page instance page editor. Okay, so these are our one is where is our one new So here we have to tag our one. These all are the, if you see here in the home page, first is how can I help you? Home search, it is, this is tagged here. Then search button tagged here. Then raise a request tagged here. Knowledge base tagged here. Get help is tagged here. Okay. So let's go back to this one, page editor. Now we will see whether our one is there or not. New, correct? New. Yeah, new approval info. Suppose I'm bringing here. Okay. So I'm bringing here new approval info. So I'm seeing my preview. Where is my new approval? Edit. Okay, go back to edit. Because under new approval, we didn't added anything. So what is required to show, correct? So there is no data. So we have to go ahead. See, this is a HTML script. This is the client script. This is a server script. What we need to show. If there is any request, we need to approve, correct? So as of now, we don't have any approval pending with the system administrator. That is why we are not able to see anything here records. If we have, we will be able to see it. Okay. So as of now, there is no tickets approval pending, hence we are not able to see. So first of all, you no need to get confused. You have to go to here. So we have to go here. One is you should know how to edit page instance page editor, page editor, okay, and widget editor. Instance page editor, when you click it, so it will take you here what all are tagged at present, which all are pages tagged. These are our home page. Under home page, which all are widgets are tagged for which each container, one container, two container, three container, correct? So this is the place where you need to check which all are it is tagged. Now the next one is when you click this one, page designer is there. You can go ahead, come add the pages here. If you create any pages, you can go ahead and add here from drag to right to left to right, correct? Widgets. If you create any widgets, you can drag here. So here is the widget pages creation, widgets are creation here. If you go here, widgets, correct? This is the widgets. So this is the widgets where you can select the widgets and create your own. Always you have to clone it only. Okay, clone it and when you clone widget, so you would be in the shape of this way. Okay, or it will open and the other way is where is this way. This is this and this is same. Which one? Where was that? This one. See here HTML is there. Here also HTML is there, correct? So now here if you go CSS is there. Here also CSS we didn't type CSS is here. Okay. Then you have where was that other one tab? Yeah. Then server script. Okay. Here also server script is there. Client script, server script. Okay. So why do we use we all know that why do we use HTML? I think you are all familiar. So HTML is a form, correct? HTML, using the HTML, you will build a form, how to show the information. Okay. Then you have a client script, which all information you need to bring it. And server script, which all are information you need, which all are the tables, data you need to show in the widget. Okay. These all are the things you need to understand. Don't get into in depth. Okay. First, let's try. You guys has to create one widget and tag it to somewhere here. You should know that one. Then what I will try to teach you is suppose we are going in one widget, correct? So this widget, what is the configuration they made it? So mainly you need to always work on this one. So I need to apply only changes to show. See now all approval one I am showing here. Only changes you need to show, correct? So then how do you do it? You have to apply a query. What is the query? That request type is change, correct? So we will see first of all you learn how to edit, how to add one widget, creating here and adding here. So this is enough. When you ask anyone interviewer, you should be able to answer, yes, I know widget. I can create a widget and add it to the service portal page or ESC portal page. This is, if you know this much, I'm sure you would be able to crack the interview. Okay. So next advanced class, what I will try to teach you is, I'll try to teach you applying a filters here, showing only change related approval to show or service request related approval to show it. Okay, not all things. Okay, only these two I would recommend. We will apply and see it. So maybe in advanced class, what we will try to do is we will try to do one more an HTML level, some changes, visibility. Okay. So client script, you don't need to touch. Okay. Only for my experience, I do only on a HTML and server script. HTML will help you to show form, how it looks, and server, it looks, it helps us to filter which all are the fields to show, which all are fields not to show, right? It will apply query. These are the two scripts which we need to learn it. So that's about the widgets, guys. Okay. So if you have any doubt, I would try to help you to understand. So first, again, I'm closing again. I'm trying to refresh. So where do you have to go? You have to type a widgets. So here is the service portal widgets. Okay. So these all are the service portal widgets. These all are the system UI widgets. There is no difference between this. Any of them you will be tagging into here, service portal or ESC portal or any portal if you are creating. So we can also create our own portal instead of service portal and ESC portal. Normally ESC portal also I told you in initial days, correct? There are two portals, correct? So there are two kinds of portal. Okay. So any one of them, how do we do? We will do here, page editor. Okay. Widget editor. You can go ahead and do it. Okay. So this is widget editor. When you want to do directly any edit on this, suppose here they applied colors, all those things, correct? If you see default color, you can go ahead and change it, okay, in the serve script. At the same time, you are querying, which all are you are querying? You are querying some taxonomy. What is this widget name? Is email notification, email accounts, correct? Suppose let's go to default color. Let me, I think this is the employee center. It will not allow you to update. It will only open a platform. Click here. Font size. So if you want to change anything, you can come here. You have a popular topics, color. Where is the color? Yeah, primary border colors are there here in CSS. You can go ahead and change it. Okay, popular topics, you can go ahead and change it here. You have a normal small font color. You have, okay, all those things you can try to change it. Okay, try to change it, update it so that it will reflect here, where it will reflect here. Correct. So now you can change and give a try. Okay, so you can also create one own widget and try to add it into service portal or ESC portal by dragging left to right. Okay. I hope this is clear. As per my understanding, if you know this one, it is good as of now. Then we will see in advanced classes how we can do multiple edits, updates, changes into it. Yes, Sarthi, Sadiq, Abdul.
Yes, sir, understood, sir. But after practicing,
Yeah,
you know
we'll.
about doubt, sir.
Hmm.
What is the doubt?
Okay. So what else? So you guys will practice it, correct?
Yes,
So
sir.
can anyone share the screen and help me to show me yesterday topic creating transform maps, guys? Okay.